not beta. It's a beta. That's so small.
It's Deacon. I can't read from this far away. Hi.
My weight.
Yeah.
Deacon mixed
No.
bait bit.
No.
Ready mixed bait bit.
Brian's going on about the ranch.
What?
It's a mousetrap.
Sorry.
Oh.
This is the kitty, and he's so pissy right now.
I was exaggerating.
Oh shit. No, you can't have any.
Come
You
on.
just make it warmer.
I'm cold. That's not fair. I'm so cold.
Ah, but.
Hi.
Tummy.
I can hear the ocean.
I can hear gastro
Intestinal.
motion.
He wants food so bad.
It's the chicken.
Oh.
Put on his shirt.
Does he get it?
No.
No!
On camera. Come on.
I don't partake in that
Ow.
thing.
Ow, ow, ow.
You just hurt you.
You want me
Alright,
to
let's
hurt
see what you
you?
do.
No, not me. Oh. You were so...
You got my shirt!
What? What?
No, 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 no! 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 He's running my penis.
You were so weird.
Look at the fucking couch.
Oh god!
Oh god!
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, where's the butthole?
Wouldn't she like, you know?
I'm checking myself for that goddamn butthole.
Oh yeah, because I could just slip it in without you noticing. I think you would notice me going like this.
I can't guarantee that. I'm checking my cuffs.
How do you not sign your hoodie? To the little buds.
I'm trying. The little belly that could.
It's a baby!
I'm making her look really
No!
Sorry. No, what?
Jesse?
What?
Let's go for the butthole.
You hurt my ball.
Where's the
My balls.
butthole? My balls. Not fair, guys. My balls.
No, they hurt. Hold on.
They hurt.
They
Oh, my
hurt.
boobs hurt.
Whatever. I'll make your butthole hurt. Ah! That's my ball!
Oh, where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go?
What? You're gonna join in. I don't partake.
Oh, we're recording it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my nuts.
There's a freezer right there. You could get some like corn.
Yeah, it's right at the
Ice
bottom.
them.
Yeah.
There you go. Just
They just hurt. I don't want them gone.
They just hurt.
I didn't say we could
Where is the butthole?
cut
Seriously.
them off.
Wouldn't you like to
Just let
know?
us know if you've
Anyway,
hidden it.
I think
or
no.
not
I
yet.
think we need like a new rule.
Yeah,
saying
let's
that-
try one up.
No, that if you can steal a butthole, and if you don't like if the person who's it's stolen from doesn't notice, then you're in control, and you hide the butthole.
Okay.